for COVID-19 by the numbers so that you can get raw data, raw information with no spin at all. And here it comes.
The COVID-19 interactive map shows
14,000 patients,
more than 100,000 people,
over 10,000.
240 cases,
nearly 500,
450 cases, 14,000 cases,
34 new infections,
530 cases, over 3,400, and nearly 280 cases.
COVID-19 by the numbers with your morning answer.
Okay, worldwide, across the planet, coronavirus cases topping 2 million, 2,023,650. Of those 2,023,650 persons who tested positive for coronavirus, 492,000, almost 500,000, 368 have recovered. 128,892 people, very sadly, lost their lives. The active cases, because a lot of those 2 million refer to cases that have had some sort of resolution. There are currently 1,402,390 infected patients on the planet. 96% of them are in mild condition. 4% are in serious or critical.
Very sad news. And again, these numbers could look a whole lot different, too, once if China releases more of their information. But it's a very significant number. In the United States, total number of cases of coronavirus, 614,643. Total deaths 26,112. Here in California, the confirmed number of cases, Brian, 25,777 and 788 deaths as of Tuesday. Did you want to know about the counties? We always talk about those.
Yep, we do.
Los Angeles County has 10,075 total cases and 366 deaths. Riverside County, 1,961 total cases and 50 deaths. Orange County, 1,299 cases with 19 deaths. And San Bernardino, 977 total cases, 31 deaths in San Bernardino. Here
in L.A. County yesterday, you're right, cases topping 10,000, making it the largest single-day increase in COVID-19 deaths here in L.A. County. So vigilance is called for as we go forward. COVID-19 by the numbers. I have a number for you, Jennifer Horn.
Yes, sir. Is it number 13?
It is not. You hit me
I was trying to do my Karnak.
No, remember, you hit me with that number yesterday, 13. I said, lucky. Oh, 7 you hit me with.
7,
said,
yeah. Lucky 7.
Okay, the number is 6.
6.
6 things are part of California Governor Gavin Newsom's framework for lifting coronavirus restrictions. He announced the plan yesterday.
But the framework is predicated on the ability to do 6 things. The most important framework is our capacity to expand our testing, to appropriately address the tracing and tracking of individuals, the isolation and the quarantine of individuals, using technology and using a workforce that needs to be trained and an infrastructure that needs to be in place in order to begin the process to transition.
Okay, that's Governor Gavin Newsom. 6 things that need to be done before the process to transition begins. COVID-19 by the numbers with Brian and Jen on your Morning Answer.
All right, you ready for the number?
I am.
The number is 42.
42?
Mm-hmm. That's the number that Jackie Robinson wore on his jersey. And today, April the 15th, is Jackie Robinson Day. And if you're looking for something to do, if you're at home, MajorLeagueBaseball.com is celebrating that all day long. You just watch the website. You can see famous Jackie Robinson games. You can see his World Series film. And so a great way, since we can't go to the ballpark and it's baseball season, or it should be, you can celebrate Jackie Robinson Day.
Check out number 42 for sure.
Yes.
Okay, my number, COVID-19 by the numbers, our number. Jen and I do sparring, a little tennis match here. I've got a number for you, 1,200.
1,200, bring it on.
The number of dollars that Morning Answer listener Jackie from the Valley received from the federal government in her bank account last night at about 11 p.m. as the first checks in the coronavirus stimulus are going out and landing in bank accounts all across America this week.
All right, next number for you. Are you ready for it?
I am.
Okay, good, because I move it. 4 The number is 4.
4. Number of persons in the Whitman family, nuclear family on Staten Island. Yeah. Would that be right? Or?
No. Well, yes, that is right.
I mean, yeah,
two things can be true at the same time.
That's
that from a very smart broadcaster.
Yeah, bald guy, kind of heavy.
Yeah,
right.
Yeah, that guy, funny. Does a great Trump.
Yeah.
4 in 10 Americans say they are now lonelier than ever before as a result of a new coronavirus research project. This is a survey of 1,055 Americans, and they asked respondents to think about how the outbreak is affecting them and revealed it's caused loneliness to hit new heights for 44% of those surveyed.
So I'll have to do it. It's 6 to 6. Those are the hours that LAUSD has that mental health support hotline open, 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. So
That's
if you
right.
access that, you can get some help. We have talked about healthcare workers, frontline healthcare workers, doctors, nurses, orderlies, ER admissions, administrative people. They really are, among grocery workers and others, the heroes of this effort to flatten
100%.
the curve. And we have. The number is 20%.
20%.
And sadly, healthcare workers account for up to 20% of U.S. coronavirus cases, not deaths, but cases, according to the CDC, Centers for Disease Control.
It's so sad. All right, let's brighten things up. The number is 2.
2?
Yes.
How many brain cells is Whitman operating on?
No.
No, all right.
Although maybe somebody on Twitter might say that, but no. All right, the number is 2, and that is what scientists say. There are 2 things that you can do to lower the spread of coronavirus in your workplace. So if you are one of those workers who are maybe going to an essential job, there's 2 things that you can do. The first is to keep the air flowing and keep it humid. So most people are looking to dry out their space. They say to increase airflow, the more air coming into your building from the outside can dilute the number of virus particles floating around your office. That's number 1. Number 2 is that you should social distance. We've heard this before, and allow sunlight in. So they're saying stay further apart, let more air flow into your building, and open the windows because there is a cleansing factor from the sunlight when it comes into your office and your home. So open up those windows today for better health.
COVID-19 by the numbers with Brian and Jennifer on your morning answer. Raw data for you. The number is 1,000.
$1,000.
That's right. $1,000 is the amount of money that an L.A. County rent assistance program could provide tenants per month who are struggling as a result of the COVID-19 disease that triggers coronavirus.
Wow. All right. One more for you?
Yeah.
Since we're talking about this?
Yes.
$1,500. $1,500 is the value of an Angelino card. This is a new program that was announced by Mayor Garcetti. You can apply for it right now. The Angelino card is a prepaid debit card that gives you $1,500 if you and your family are in need or if you're falling below the poverty line because of coronavirus.
Finally, COVID-19 by the numbers. We talk about small businesses a lot, and we're putting the spotlight on them once again here at home. The airline industry, their number 25. $25 billion they're going to need in federal aid to get back on track.
Knew that was coming.
Yeah, the Donald Daily Download happens in just a few as your morning answer continues.